Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change background in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a PowerPoint presentation, and for example guys, I'm going to change this plain background with a photo. As you can see, now the document is blank and I'm going to change the background of this slide. If we want to change background, we can right click on it, okay, until this option appear on your screen, and then you can go to the format background and you can choose picture or text or bold. Okay, and then I'm going to choose another picture. I have just added this picture to the format and I'm going to change it. Wait, for example, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the background of this slide has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change background on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.